So this is a brief demonstration of our AI-driven voice transcription feature that we've added into our mobile application. So from within this mobile app, you have access to company and contact details, to-dos, and also slips. The entry of this type of data in a mobile environment can be a bit finicky, particularly entering a timesheet where you're confirming the date and the time and the project and the task and a description of the actual work that's been carried out. So what we've provided is an ability to record the details of the work that's been performed as a voice memo. You can click the microphone icon in the header section just below our logo at the top there. Log 1.75 hours, no charge for Testers Inc. Add notes, troubleshoot server connection, restart listener process. We click save. That audio message is saved and uploaded to the database, and it's then sent across to a third party to transcribe that voice message into text. So while that's occurring, we'll record another timesheet. Log 2 hours charge for Testers Inc. Add notes, update project plan to reflect new delivery schedule. So once again, that data has been saved and it's been sent off for processing. If I go to the slip screen now, we can see that the first timesheet I added is already showing up. If I click on that, we can see that it was for me, today's date. It was for Testers Inc. because that is the default project there for that particular client, and it's FileMaker support, which is the default task for this particular project. I specified that it was to be no charge, and I said that it would be 1.75 hours. And it's also recorded the note that I indicated, troubleshoot server connection, restart listener process. So it's created that record and filled out using all of the details that I specified in my voice memo. If I go back to the slip screen, we can see our second timesheet has now been processed and is showing up. So once again, it's for the same client and project, but in this case I said it was charge, and it was 2 hours, and I was updating the project plan to reflect new delivery schedule. So that's pretty helpful. It's been able to create 2 timesheets for me with minimal effort at my end. I just recorded a message and it created the records for me. Let's try to do something a little bit different here, and I'll go to contacts. So I've been out to meet with Testers Inc. and there's a new contact that I'd like to add to the database. So I can go back to the home screen again and a voice memo. Create new contact, Jennifer Clements for Testers Inc. Their position, account manager, phone 03 9876 5432, mobile 0415 123 456. So once again, that audio message has been updated to the database. It's been passed off to the AI service that will do the transcription of that audio into text for us. And while that's occurring, we can now go into contacts and we'll go to Testers Inc. and we can see that now there is 2 contacts. There was Shane Smith, which was the original one, and now there is a Jennifer Clements. Jennifer for that company, Testers Inc., the mobile number and the work number as we specified. So this process could be used to record lots of different information, particularly when you're working in remote environments or perhaps environments where you don't have access to a keyboard or a full desktop. For instance, if I had my phone and I'm doing site inspections, or I might be doing simple quotations for a client, I'm able to record those voice memos and post them off, and the database will process that in the background and give us back records which reflect the information that we've entered. If it's something that you'd be interested in discussing for your own business, please reach out to us and we can give you a further demonstration of the way in which it works and perhaps discuss how it could be used for your business.